Hello friends, Shino DME here, your binary guy. I have this manual strategy that I normally use to trade volatility indices on binary.com. I just want to see how I play around it. This is my virtual account. Okay, let's say these are balance. Let's say 8.76. Although you need the minimum account balance of $16 to trade this strategy of mine. $16. 1 6. And this strategy based on the manual strategy that's based on 6 months engaged. That's why I'm starting low. My first stake doesn't make it. The second one, third one, I know I must make a win before getting to the 61. So if you add all my stakes together, it's going to give around 16. Okay, let's say the minimum account balance you need to get should be 17 USD. So let's play around it. Here I go. Mm. Watch me, and I'm. Just watch me. Watch me. Watch me. Come on, give it to me. Get. You need a good internet connection. Need a good internet connection for this strategy. So if my first stake doesn't make it, then I use the second one until I make a win. But you know what? I'm gonna make a win. This is my second one. Second one. See how it goes. So first trade loss. Let's see how far with the second one. Down here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So if I make a win with my second stake, then I go back to the initial one, which is 0.35. Where do you start? 8 points. Let's say 8 points. 8 points. 8.32. Let's say 8.82 now. Just want to take note of our balance. My second one. Just see how I play around it and make this balance to $10. To $10. So when I make a win, I go back to my initial stake. Then wait for it again. Mm. The story is very simple, very, very simple. When you are trading on binary.com, you don't need to be, don't be scared. Don't be scared. Just relax yourself. Relax yourself because you surely make a win. You surely make a win. So go to the second one. And I told you it's a strategy. Strategy. So it's going to make a win. So we'll go back to the initial one. Yeah, I've not gone beyond second stage since we started. So let's see. So our balance is 9.56 now. Want to make it 10 or 11 or how the time permits us. If you want to learn the strategy, you can send me a mail. Send a mail to shinoduyemi1@gmail.com. So I'll give you my email before I sign out. Go to the second one. The second one. I go to the second one. This one I just go to the second one. So if it doesn't make it, you go to the third one. But as a win, so let's go back to the first one. 9.62 now. I may for more details send email. So this is my Gmail account. GMA1 at gmail.com. Let's rock it together. So rock it together. So let me continue with the trade. Okay, that's the first one. So don't forget, this is the email address. Send the mail to shinoduyemi, shinoduyemi1@gmail.com. So I think I still have less than 2 minutes. The balance is now 10.24. So let me see if I can get some. So that's how I normally play around it. Then I normally play around it. I make my cold play around it. Definitely make my cold dollar. So don't panic. Don't be panic. Don't be scared. Don't be scared of losing. Don't be scared of losing. Although you can start with an account balance of, let's say, minimum of $20. Then with this strategy, I'm very sure that you'll be raking in $2, $3 every day. Every day. Every day. $2, $3 every day. Very, very sure of that. I don't even know, maybe the first trade one. Anyway, let me go back to the initial stake. Initial stake 0 points. So let's make the account balance to get to 10 points, to get to 11. Okay. It's the second stake. Don't forget the signal is around here. If you know how to read it, you will definitely rake in some dollars. So getting to the third stake. That's my third stake. It's my third one. My third one. Let me get ready for the. I think this is my fourth one now. This one should get me a win. Should get me a win. Okay, I mean to get to fifth. Let me take my time. Okay, it's coming down. Relax. Mm, 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 mm. I've seen you now. I've seen you. Seen where you are going to. All the other two losses was because I did not watch it too well. So anytime you make it, you go back to the initial stake. Go back to the initial stake. Go back to the initial stake. So that's that. This $11.33. So we start from where we start from 8.82. So $11.33 minus 8.82, just so make $2.5, and that's still okay. So that's that. If you are interested in the strategy, just send me a mail to shinaoduyemi1@gmail.com. See you later. I remain yours, Shina Oduyemi. Bye.